Your multi-location clients can reap the rewards of centralized communication too. With Inbox Standard and Pro available in multi-location business app, all conversations across all locations are rolled up in a single inbox, so a team can easily manage communication from Google Business Messages, Facebook Messages, Forms, SMS, web chat, and soon Instagram. By bringing all conversations into a single view, teams can make sure each customer request is taken care of promptly and none are missed, no matter which location the communication comes from. To start using Inbox in multi-location, opt in by clicking the Start Using Multi-Location Inbox button. That's it. Powered by Inbox, conversations on each single location account, all past and future conversations from all accounts within that group will show in a single inbox. Note that it can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many accounts and conversations are being collected into the multi-location view. Activation is done on single location accounts, so turning on this unified view doesn't cost you or your customers anything. Everything from connections with Google Business Messages and Facebook Messenger to AI web chat integrations are also still managed from each individual's location's business app. By having dedicated web chat widgets for each location, leads and contact databases stay separate and unique to the location. Alternatively, if a client has a centralized team that manages leads for all locations and would prefer to have all contacts stored in one CRM, have them designate a single location account as the headquarters or HQ and set up and install the Inbox web chat widget from that account on their website. All leads and messages will appear on that single account in addition to multi-location Inbox. Make sure to add knowledge about all locations to the Q&A for the AI assistant so it can answer questions about each one. Inbox and multi-location business app is mobile friendly too, so your clients can view and respond to messages on the go.